Hey everyone, I'm Lauren, and today I'll walk you through how to create a discount code on Shopify. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or an experienced seller, this tutorial will help you every step of the way. Now, before we begin, if you haven't signed up for Shopify yet, check out the link in the description to get started. Now let's dive right in on how to create a Shopify code. Step 1. Access the discounts section. First things first, we're going to go to our dashboard, and here you'll find the discount section in the navigation menu. Step 2, we're going to create a new discount code. On the discounts page, click the Create Discount button. Step 3, select discount type. There are 4 discount types: amount off products, amount off order, buy X get Y, and free shipping discount. Now before you select your discount type, think about the purpose and offer for your promotion that incentivizes your customers to purchase. Feel free to test the different discount types and find out what discount works best for your brand. For this example, we're going to be using the discount type amount off products. Step 4, discount method. Now we want to select between a discount code and automatic discount. A discount code requires your customer to manually enter a discount code during the checkout process, and an automatic discount applies to the products without having to enter a discount code. We will be using a discount code for our example. Make sure to use a discount code that's short and simple and easy for your customers to type in. This is also an area where you can get creative, such as using a discount code named 10 left or today only 25. This is another great marketing tip to encourage your customers to take action quickly. Step 5 is value, and in this value section, you can choose between percentage value or fixed amount. Here, you're going to want to consider what type of discount will be most attractive to your customers. A percentage discount might be more enticing for higher priced items, while a fixed amount discount could be more effective for lower priced products. In this example, we'll be using a 25% discount. Step 6 is applying the discount, and you can apply the discount to specific products or specific collections, which is a group of products. For example, bestsellers, tops, bottoms, etc. For now, we'll be selecting specific products. Click on Browse, and you can search any product you like. You can also select specific variants of each product, like colors and sizes. This gives you a lot of flexibility when creating your discounts and also highlights the importance of organizing your products and collections to make it easier to apply discounts. Step 7 is minimum purchase requirements. You can select a minimum purchase requirement, and Shopify offers 3 different options. The first is no minimum requirements. Second is minimum purchase amount, and third is minimum quantity of items. For our example here, we'll be putting a minimum purchase amount of $10. Be sure to let your customers know about any disclaimers pertaining to the discount codes so that they're not caught off guard or feel misled when purchasing. This can be done simply in an email, social media accounts, and website. Step 8 is customer eligibility. There's 3 options here. First is all customers. Second is specific customer segments, which is a group of customers that meet certain conditions, such as first-time buyers, customers who've purchased more than once, abandoned checkouts in the last 30 days, email subscribers, etc. And Shopify allows you to create more segments if you'd like. And the third one is specific customers. Whether you're creating a code for friends and family or to provide a great customer service experience to help amend a problem that may have occurred with a customer. Step 9 is maximum discount uses. There's 2 options here. Your first one is the limited number of times the discount can be used in total, and this is a great way to create a sense of urgency. For example, the first 50 customers can receive 50% off. And the second is to limit 1 use per customer. Also, this isn't required to create a discount, so we'll be leaving this blank for our example. Step 10 is combinations. Shopify gives you the option to combine multiple discounts, and a common one is including free shipping plus a percentage discount off your order. This provides a lot of flexibility, so keep in mind not to offer too high of a discount to where you're not profitable. This will come with experience and getting to know your customers and brand. Step 11 is dates and time. You're able to set a start date and time to your discounts. This allows you to set up your code in advance and not have to worry about activating it when your sale goes live. You're able to set an end date and time, and this will again create a sense of urgency when there's an end date. Step 12 is to save your discount code. After you've created your discount code to your liking, be sure to save it. Step 13 is to monitor performance and adjust if needed. Keep an eye on the usage of the discount code and its impact on sales. If necessary, you can adjust the discount amount or duration to optimize its effectiveness. Step 14, lastly, here's a few different ways that you can promote your sale. You can feature your discount code on your home page or a prominent banner to catch the attention of visitors. You can also utilize your social media platforms to announce the discount to your followers and encourage them to share the news. Send out newsletters or emails to your existing customers, notifying them about the discount code and its benefits. Now, by following these tips, you can effectively create and implement a Shopify discount code. This will increase traffic to the site and build a strong relationship with your customers. If you want more Shopify and digital marketing tips to elevate your business, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and happy selling. See you in the next video.